keys. And let's be honest, you only need them when you've lost them. And that happens a lot. Hey there, it's me, Martijn, and on this channel I test everything that's smart and runs on a battery. And today, let's talk about the heart of your home, the front door. SwitchBot sent me 3 new products that work together seamlessly. The SwitchBot Lock Ultra, Keypad Touch Vision, and the SwitchBot Hub 3. What I really like, it's not just smart and secure, it's also so easy to set up. You don't need to be a tech nerd to install it yourself. So let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. The Lock Ultra sticks right on top of your existing lock. No need to drill or remove anything, just stick, calibrate, and you're done. The Keypad Vision goes next to the door. And yes, it has facial recognition. Your door literally recognizes you.
The door has been unlocked.
The Hub 3 is your main brain. It connects literally everything to your Wi-Fi and makes it compatible with your smart home setup. It's meta ready, which means it's future proof. And in the app, you'll find everything. Who unlocked the door, at what time, and you can set custom access for one-time use, guest or scheduled time slots. For example, every night at 10 p.m, auto lock. Leaving the house, lock the door and turn off the lights. Kids coming from school, you get notified when they unlock the door. The only thing that I'm missing from SwitchBot is a smart doorbell that would complete the smart front door package. So let's say the grandparents are coming over to babysit. I give them their own access code, so there's no more spare keys to lose. Or the time I came home with 2 heavy grocery bags, face scan, click, door opens, no fumbling for keys.
Your door has been unlocked.
There's even auto unlock. When your phone is nearby and you approach the door, it opens itself. It feels kind of magical. And battery life? That's up to 9 months according to SwitchBot. I haven't been able to verify that myself, but it sounds promising. And what sounds even more promising is that there's an emergency option, so like some sort of a last resort that you can unlock it 5 more times. What makes this lock truly ultra? 3 things. First of all, Matter support. It works with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa and SmartThings from Samsung. Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi with the Hub 3, so you can control it remotely. Auto lock and door detection. It knows when the door is closed. No more, did I lock the door anxiety. Bonus, if everything else fails, power, Wi-Fi, app, you can still use your physical key. That alone makes this one of the most reliable smart locks I've tested. Let's talk about the SwitchBot Hub 3 for a second, because at a first glance, it looks like a simple bridge, but it's actually smarter than it looks. First off, it's the connection point between your SwitchBot gear and your smart home. Want to use Siri, Alexa or Google Assistant to control your door? You'll need this. Second, it has built-in sensors. Temperature, humidity and light. You can build automation routines with those. Like if the air in the nursery gets too dry, turn on the humidifier. Or when it's getting a bit darker, like right now while I'm filming, you can say turn on the lights. Or my favorite, when the door closes and I leave the house, lock everything and turn off my lights. Bonus feature, it's also a Matter bridge, meaning your SwitchBot devices can finally play nice with the rest of your smart home, no matter what platform you use. After testing all of the SwitchBot gear for a good while, I can honestly say that SwitchBot has made my front door smarter, safer and way more convenient. No more keys, no more wondering if I locked the door, and full control over who comes and goes. It feels like I've upgraded my front door to 2025, and that without drilling or headaches. Would you go smart with your front door or do you stick to the traditional physical key? Let us know in the comments below. Now, if you want to check out the nursery room that we've made smart, then go watch this video over here. It's also with SwitchBot gear. Anyways, that's it for this video, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so that I see you in the next one.